Before we discuss enterprise architecture frameworks, let's begin by understanding what is an enterprise architecture. The Wikipedia definition of enterprise architecture says that enterprise architecture is a business function concerned with the structures and behaviors of a business, especially business roles and processes that create and use business data. And according to the definition of Federation of Enterprise Architecture Professional Organizations, a worldwide association of professional organizations, an enterprise architecture is a well defined practice for conducting enterprise analysis, design, planning, and implementation, using a comprehensive approach at all times for the successful development and execution of a strategy. It says that enterprise architecture applies architecture principles and practices to guide organizations through the business, information, process, and technology changes necessary to execute their strategies. So, in simple words, we can say that an enterprise architecture or the enterprise architecture as a discipline focuses on creating and maintaining a comprehensive blueprint of an organization's structure, processes, systems, and technologies. It involves analyzing and designing various components of an organization to align them with its goals and objectives, optimize its operations, and enable effective decision making. So, now the question is, what is an enterprise architecture framework? It was during the 1980s the term architecture framework emerged with the publication of the Jackman Framework for Information System Architecture. It provides a common language and methodology for describing, organizing, and managing the various components of an organization's architecture, including business processes, information systems, technology infrastructure, and human assets. So, the main purpose of an enterprise architecture framework is to help organizations align their business and IT strategies, optimize their operations, and achieve their goals through effective use of technology. By providing a systematic approach to enterprise architecture, frameworks can help organizations develop a comprehensive view of their current and future states, identify gaps and inefficiencies, and make informed decisions about their investment in technology. There are several different enterprise architecture frameworks available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The choice of framework depends on the specific need and goals of the organization, as well as the industry and the regulatory context in which the organization operates. Some of the well known and the popular enterprise architecture frameworks include TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, the Jackman Framework, the Federal Enterprise Architecture Framework, the Gartner Enterprise Architecture Framework, and the Business Architecture Framework, etc. Each of these frameworks has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of framework will depend on the specific needs and goals of the organization. It is also possible to combine elements from different frameworks to create a customized approach to enterprise architecture.